wonder how small we really are in the universe. The Earth is not even at the center of our own galaxy. Life doesn't revolve around you alone. Actually, we're just stardust. Except when you are alone with your music. You are traveling to somewhere special. The universe of your own feelings.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.